Thevaram in Pan Kausikam, which is the equivalent of Bhairavi. The beauty of this is that it is a palindrome. Thiriñana Sambandar, the youngest of the composers in the world, has composed a palindrome, a complete song, as Yamama.
Yamama.